Hello everyone, just wanted to make a quick video. So everyone knows that VOR facility transmits signal for every degree, and when you're flying and you want to fly to the facility, your VOR equipment is picking up the signal and it shows you which degree to fly. So the one thing also you need to know is how your VOR is picking up that degree. So imagine you're located to the east from this facility. When you are setting your VOR with two indication with needle centered, it means that you are flying directly to the station, and your VOR equipment is gonna pick up this radial opposite side, not this one. So it's gonna show you 2270. You see these arrows, they help to remember that. So imagine you're located here, your aircraft is located here, and if you fly directly to with needle centered, it's gonna show you 270. If you put indication to from, it's gonna show you 9. So this from, you're flying away with this arrow, right? Or you're flying to, and it's gonna pick up the opposite, this one, with 27 degrees. So imagine CDI needle to be your track. This is your track, and you fly to the right from it. Needle is gonna be to the left from you, showing you have to fly to the left to the track. If you're flying off course to the left, your needle is gonna be to the right, but it's still showing 27. If you center it, for example, you flew away here, right? Imagine it. Flew away here. Now your equipment shows that your track is to the right from you, and it shows 227. But if you center at this point, if you center your CDI needle, it's gonna show you which radial. It's gonna show you 300. It's gonna show 2 indication. CDI is gonna be in the middle, and you're gonna get this degree you need to fly. And if you put it from indication, it's gonna show you this degree, 1, 2. Does it make sense? So here's the question. VOR is tuned to Bonham Vortec. An aircraft is positioned over town of Sulphur Springs. Which VOR indication is correct? 178. So let's look. Our facility is here. This is Bonham Vortec, and our aircraft is here in Sulphur Springs town. So what we do is we make a line. We make a line from our aircraft to the Bonham Vortec. So we see it's 1, 2, right? We see 1, 2, but 1, 2 is from indication, and 2 indication would be on other side of the circle. To do that, we can just add 120 plus 180. So our indication here could be with from indication 1, 2, so that needle is in the middle, and 30 indication with 2. So let's look here what we have in answers. Here we have 2, 1 indication, 2. So we find 2, 1 degrees. It's somewhere here, and our indication flag shows it's 2. So it means that we're somewhere far here from the VOR, right? So that our aircraft is picking up 2, 1 indication. So it's not correct. Option is 7. It's 3 degrees without any indication, and it is to the left from us. So this needle shows your track. 3 is somewhere here, right? It's radial like this. if it was 2 to the 3, our aircraft would be somewhere here. But it doesn't show to or from, so it means that our VOR equipment can't show if we're flying to or from, and it happens when you're perpendicular to the radial. So this answer is most suitable. If you look at this, if you look at our track, it's perpendicular to the 2, 1, 0 and 3 indication, and it's to the left from us. So we're here. This radial is to the left. If we fly here to the left, then this indication is needle is gonna be in the middle, and it's gonna show 2, 3 degrees. And other option is 8. Let's also look 8. It shows 2, 3 and needle is in the middle. It means we're flying 2, 3 degrees. It means we're somewhere here, but it's not correct. Don't know if I could explain it normally. Let's see other question. So it says, on what course should VOR receiver be set to navigate direct from Hampton-Warrenville to Savannah-Vortac? So from Hampton-Warrenville, it's here. We need to fly directly to Savannah-Vortac. It's here. You see this, right? Circle. What we do is, again, we set a line from Hampton-Warrenville to our Savannah-Vortac. Like this, right? This is our track. And then we need to know the degree at the bottom here. To do that, we just look at the degree here plus 180 degrees. So our track lies on 15 degrees here, So if we fly directly to, we need this degree, the opposite one. So 15 plus 180 is gonna be 195. Let's see, we need to put 195 here, you see. Let's see another question. So it says VOR receiver has the indication shown what radial the aircraft is crossing. It's illustration 5. Let's look. 5. So it says, it shows us 2, 1, 2, 0. So it means that if we look at our chart, this is 1, 2, 0. We do a track like this through 1 to 0, and it means we're on the opposite side flying directly to the station. So we're somewhere here, right? The VOR receiver has indication showing what radial aircraft is crossing. It's crossing 030. CDI is centered with OBS set to 210 with indication therefore the aircraft is located on 30 radial. Again.